Tehran is a massive city of 8.5 million people. Modern, wealthy and vibrant today, its Grand Bazaar continues the trading culture of the great Persian capitals. For thousands of years, they defined civilization. I'm on my way to one of those ancient cities to try and solve a mystery. A mystery that speaks of radical climate change.
Well, this is Turang Tepe, one of the oldest monuments on Earth. People have been living here for more than 5,000 years, continuously. It's an incredible place and once was a mighty palace. But there's a problem, because Strabo, the Greek geographer, tells us that the Caspian Sea was actually just below us. But today, it's more than 55 kilometers away and 36 meters lower than here. So, what happened?
It's hard to believe that these fields were once the shoreline of the Caspian. But the seas of Central Asia have a history of massive rises and falls. They appear to be a barometer of our planet's radical changes in climate. However, the word of Strabo is not enough to go on. We need more evidence, and I think that lies out on the edge of the Caspian Sea. What I've discovered is that Turang Tepe is not alone. Here in northern Iran is another massive structure, built around 400 years after Strabo's description of Turang Tepe.
Well, I know it doesn't look like too much today, but this is what remains of the Great Alexander Wall. And in fact, it's the second longest defensive wall on Earth. Only the Great Wall of China is longer than this wall, with all its different forts and battlements. But the reason why we're here is because of what happens to the Alexander Wall when it reaches the Caspian. It doesn't stop, it goes into it. Well, this is the Caspian. The Alexander Wall actually extends another 15 kilometers further out to sea. Now what that means is that when it was built, the Caspian was another 5 meters lower than it is today. Now if we think of Turang Tepe, that's 38 meters higher than this point. So the radical changes in the level of the Caspian over the last 2,000 years is more than 40 meters.
The two ancient ruins mark the high and low points of the sea. They appear to tell a story of climate changes far more extreme than we've ever imagined.